Kia ora, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another video using the BEARB Beauty palette. I'm also going to be using Platinum of my liquid shadows. I'm also going to be using Citron. I'm going to use some lashes. What else am I going to use? My brushes, of course. But yeah, let's do this. My next video, by the way, is going to be a review of the Morphe X Nikita Dragon. Yeah, that's going to be interesting. Yeah. But let's do this one. Yay! Let's do it. I'm going to start off with this shade. This shade here. And kind of just lightly put... Do it? Actually, did I? Yes, I did. And I'm going to go in with my bigger blending brush. Actually, let me zoom you out a little bit. Yeah, that's better. So yeah, going on with that shade down here. And then just kind of roughly buffing it. This is more of a slight transition shade. Oh, I can't use, I've used this, sorry. Just buffing that in. This was a super simple eye look too. Now, swapping brushes, I'm going to go in with like a bigger, fluffier brush. And I'm going to dip into this shade here. That. First I'm going to stamp it and put it to a stamping motion. And we're kind of only taking that halfway in. That's fine like that. Then I'm going to go in with another brush into the yellow. Diffuse it. And take that yellow all the way down into that inner corner. So once that's all kind of blended to how you like it, I'm going to go and dip into this shade here. And just kind of packing it on there. Just like that. Then I'm going to go in with kind of a pointed brush. This is just the way I've dried it. So it's kind of on there. I don't know. I've got to tone these lights down a little bit because it's washing the colours out too much. It's better. Just build these colours up and blend until you can't blend no more. Once you think you're happy with them, make sure you get on the inner corner part of here. Because we are cutting that. What we're going to do is take this shade here and we're actually going to kind of put that in the outer corner, just to deepen all that up. Just for a bit of definition in that crease there. We're going to go in with a bit of black as well. Yeah, I'm loving that. That's kind of where you're heading with that. Just taking a little bit of that under the eye. We're going to blend that out with the yellow as well. But we can do that later. I'm going to go in with a bit of the black. I'm just going to push that on the outer corner here. And rub that along the lash line. And then going in with, where is it? Can't find anything. Going in with a blending brush. See how that's beautifully darkening that up. So let me change brushes. This is such a stunning colour, a stunning black, sorry. You can see how easy this blends out. Oh, it's just beautiful. Yeah. It's all about blending it up until you're happy with it. So I'm wanting to get this outer corner really quite smoky. Kind of like that. Oh, my face is so itchy. Then what I'm going to do is... So now what I'm going to do is go in and cut the crease, but I'm only going to do sort of a half cut crease. And I'm just going to use some of that cut crease canvas and on a little bit of a flat brush. Just kind of need a little bit more of that actually. Just like that. Using my little finger. Just going to tap the edge of it. It kind of blends it in straight away. Awesome. While that's wet, what I'm going to do is take a flat packing brush and literally go and stamp that straight on top. You can see how that transitions beautiful. And it goes like an intense neon. Oh, it's gorgeous. Just like that. Then I'm going back into that darker colour we had, just what's on there. Patting it. Just so we kind of get a nice transition going. Yeah. Yes, Gaga! Awesome. Yeah, I love that. That's awesome. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take... So now what I'm going to do is go in with citrine, straight from here onto the eye. Like that. Then while that's still wet, going in with platinum on the inner corner. It's gonna, oh my god, if you could see this, like I think the lights are really throwing the glitter effect off, but oh my god. Now with a clean finger, just tapping the edge of that, what I'm going to do is go into that green here. So the sort of really light citrus green here. Just pop that on top of that. Oh, it's stunning! What I'm also going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of that So what I'm also going to do is I'm going to use a bit of platinum and put it on my finger so I can get rid of some of the liquid and just have the glitter. It's quite good. You can also use it as a bit of a highlight top. Yeah, it's kind of good. Beautiful. Where's my bit? I'm just going to take my Bare Beauty powder brush and knock off any powders that dropped off. I'm going to go into this tiny little Bare Beauty brush and kind of, with this colour under here, diffuse that a bit. Awesome! I've got this little tiny little, it's one of those stupid double-ended brushes, I hate those. We all love a double-ended. and just with a little bit of a tiniest amount of black on it, run that right along the waterline there, and then going back into that brush that we were using before, smoke it out. What I'm going to do now at this point is go in and tight line. Yeah. Liner time. Gonna go in with my trusted MAC, what's this called? Brush Black liner. And I'm not gonna talk. Oh, she's a wing. Going for bold. Awesome, I just stabbed myself in the eye. Ow. So this is the final look I came up with. I hope you enjoyed it. I chucked on a lip because I'm testing some products. So yeah. These lashes are not out yet. Watch this space. Also, on my site, I am going to be having a Black Friday sale. Of course, that's Black Friday 2020, depending on where you watch this. And it will be 20% off site-wide. So that's the cosmetics, that's the nails, that's the lot. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I will link everything down below. As I said, you know, tell me what you think. If you want to see another tutorial, I don't know, let me know. Have a good one, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.